Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a few ways to change the volume on your Samsung TV. Now if you have your remote, it's pretty simple right here. But there's two ways to find your remote. So for the first way, you're going to find the control button. For mine it's under the Samsung logo, but it can also be on the back, the front, other places. Now just going to press this, and it'll bring up this menu. Now I can press it but not hold it. To go to the next part, pressing again to go to volume up. Now to change the volume, you're going to hold down on it. Then let go when you're done. Then you're going to go to volume down and once again hold down. Then now the volume's back down. The third option is downloading the SmartThings app. But I think it's simpler just using the control button. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.